The lighting upgrade kit gives you the ability to control dimming on each tier and to control photo period for each tier. So it really unlocks a few different trials that you can do in the future. So with the kit, you get 2 new cables that include the power and the dimmer connection. If you open the dimmer cable, it has a little RJ plug. This is called an RJ plug. So to remove it, just pinch from both sides and pull it out and lose it on the floor. Okay, so also what you get is your dimmers. These are called Grow Dims. Let's open one of these guys up. It comes with a few zip ties, desiccant bag, don't eat that or put it in a drink. And then this is really it. So don't worry about in and out if your one has an in and out. So it has step dimming from off up from 40, 50, 60, 80, and 100%. And that is talking about how much of the light output is being allowed. So right now with the current setup, we have 3 tiers, and each tier has 3 lights, and all 9 lights in total are connected to one dimmer, which is located in the back corner. Okay, so what we're gonna do is reroute the wiring so that you have one dimmer for every tier, and we're gonna place them all in the same spot. So let's get this off. Okay, and put it in the right spot. Great. So now we need to go ahead and disconnect each tier of lights by disconnecting the input cable to your fixtures, and then come over to this side over here. This is the output from your 3rd fixture to the input of your 4th fixture. So we need the output of your 3rd fixture to be capped off. So we're going to use the included caps. So we're going to cap that so no water gets in there or anything, or little fingers or big fingers. Okay, and so this is what we now need to provide power to. So in order to do that, we're going to grab one of our power cables that came with the your new unit, line it up, push it in, and twist. Should look like that. Now let's just route this wire up and over. Okay. Now 2 things. So one is that you'll need your actual dimmer connection to come down towards where your dimmer is located now. So let's just bring that guy down. And over here, I'm gonna open it, connect it to our dimmer. Boop. Use a zip tie to neatly tie this up and out of the way. Okay. Afterwards, you could come and cut off the ends of the zip ties. I'll show you how to do that in a second. We're also including these silicone wraps that are like really nice to work with. So use that to allow you to like reuse and play around with the position of your wiring as you add and remove things from the system. So just goes on like that. Very nice and neat. Okay. And now we can route our power over. Like we mentioned before, it comes with an extra timer. And this is going to be tier B, Bravo. I'm just gonna slide this over here. Blue sticker is for timer 2. So this is, show you that that's still working. I'll plug that guy in. I can plug that one in. And label it. B is your second tier, and we're gonna cover it with the blank cap. Mentioned before. Just make sure the threads line up nicely. Tuck it away. Connect your final connector. Get the dimmer. You could thread your dimmer through the bottom here. Gets tucked away nicely. And connect it. Let's wrap it up a little bit. Okay. And now power cord all the way up. I am such a fan of these silicone zip tie replacements. Grab our final timer. Just place it in there. And we're gonna put the A label. Now let's turn it on. You now have dimming on every tier.
We're going to set the different light intensities on each level. So the top level is going to be at 100%. We're going to use the Grow Dim light dimmer to raise those lights up to 100% on our top level. This middle level, we're going to have at 50% intensity, which is there. And on the bottom, we're going to set this level for 0. So it's going to be off.